Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the Firestick and the device you want to mirror are on the same Wi-Fi network, because mirroring relies on local discovery. Once done, on the Firestick go to Settings, choose Display and Sounds, then enable Display Mirroring. This puts the Fire TV into pairing mode. Next, get your phone or PC ready. Unlock it, open the Cast or Connect feature, and keep it on the screen so you can select the Fire TV name when it appears. Now you'll initiate the actual connection. On an Android device, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, or on Windows Open Action Center Project, connect to a wireless display. Once the Fire TV name appears, select it. Make sure you accept any PIN prompt showing on the TV so the devices pair securely. After connected, adjust your device's display settings if the picture looks stretched. Change resolution or orientation, and use app-specific cast settings to reduce lag. To finish, stop mirroring from your phone or PC by tapping Disconnect in the cast controls, or press Home on the Firestick to end the session quickly. If you notice lag or stutter, make sure you close background apps on the source device and lower the streaming resolution. This reduces network load. Key troubleshooting tip: if the Fire TV does not appear, restart the Firestick and your router, confirm both devices are on the same SSID, and install any pending Fire OS updates before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.